Hi, this is Tom George with Koodums AI, and we're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm realizing that all of the videos that I've shown have only scratched the surface of what the Koodums platform can do. And so we're going to spend a little time in this video exploring at a very high level all of the capabilities that you can give your chatbot using the platform. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And why don't we start here at the Koodums AI website homepage, the same place where I typically start these videos. And the reason I wanted to show you this is because when you look at the top here, you'll find the demo section, and that's what we're going to look at in a second here. But I wanted you to know where it was so that even after this video, you can go back and look at those demos anytime. Alrighty, so let's click on the demo videos here. And we'll scroll up. But before I do that, you guys notice this right here? I love this neural network. It's pretty cool looking. I kind of like that kind of stuff. Okay, so scrolling up, let's pick this one. Make it large enough for you to see. And the first thing I want to show you is the capability represented by this right here. So the first thing you notice, this is Megan Maroney, the famous country singer. So what is this about? Well, imagine yourself being on a business trip. You've been there all week and you have an activity, a business activity that goes until Saturday afternoon, and you can't get a flight out until Sunday afternoon. So what are you going to do with the rest of your time there? Well, you ask yourself, are there any concerts out there that I can see tonight, this Saturday night? And you go and you look, and your chatbot is able to pull all of that up. And you see it has the date, it has the time, it has the location, but it also has the ability to order tickets. And not only that, you see that it has a carousel capability. You know, you see these two little arrows on both sides of the picture? You click on those and you get another picture. So this would allow you perhaps to see the other performers that might be performing on other dates and times. So that is a neat feature that happens right within your chatbot. You launch all of this within the chatbot that you can build using the Koodums platform. Now let's look at something else. What other neat features can we look at here? Okay. We have this one. It says we can play videos. So imagine this again. You're a business person. You are trying to obtain a contract with business people in Costa Rica. But before you have that conference call, you want to make sure you know a little something about the country so you seem intelligent about the things going on there. So what do? You go out and you find a video and you're able to watch it. You're able to launch it right from your chatbot. So that's another capability that it can accommodate embedded videos. What else? Let's see what else we have here. Here's another situation. Imagine yourself in your hotel room and you're having a conversation with the hotel chatbot, and in the course of that conversation, it actually sends this alert, letting you know that there are activities downstairs that you may be interested in. And that's not all. Let's see what else we have here. So this one says you can send pictures and coupons, but what you're looking at here is much more than a picture, much more than a coupon. It is an ad for a credit card that you can actually apply for right out of the chatbot. Another cool capability. And what else do we have? Oh, I really like this one. Think about it. A lot of times when you're using a chatbot, you might ask for a hotel schedule or some other schedule, and it gives it to you, but just in raw text. Here, though, it gives it to you in an easy to read, at a glance format. So the hotel schedule is in a table, a tabular format. Yes, the Koodums platform can accommodate that. You, as a user of the Koodums platform, can produce something like this without knowing an ounce of code. All right, what else? What else do we have here? Even surveys can be performed right out of the chatbot, submitted and processed. And then here's my favorite, dynamic forms. You can actually embed a form in your chatbot. It can be filled out, that is a fillable form, and saved for further processing. Imagine that. Again, out of your chatbot that you built using the Koodums platform. Yes, the Koodums platform, and I hope I've expanded your understanding of just what the platform can do. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you can join me in my next video. So until then, this is Tom George with Koodums AI, signing off.